preposition practice prior to the presentation? Am I really going to have you memorize a list of words without telling you what they are or how to use them? You bet. I mean, you have to know what the words are before we can discuss what to do with them. So I need you to start with memorizing a preposition list, so then you are ready to use it. To go over this list, I have some lovely assistants who are going to help me. I have Miss English and Miss English and Miss English and Mrs. Roth, who used to be known as Miss English. So give them a thumbs up, and here they are.
Aboard, about, above, across, after, against, along, amid, at, atop, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between.
Beyond, but, by, concerning, down, during, except, for, from, in, inside, into, like, near, of, off, on, onto.
Out, outside, over, past, regarding, since, through, throughout, to, toward, under, underneath, until, up, upon, with, within, without.
According to, ahead of, along with, away from, because of, by way of, due to, except for, in addition to, in front of, in back of, in case of, instead of, out of, up to, with the exception of.
Did you get all of that? No? Well, don't worry about it. Just go over to EnglishWithMrsEnglish.com and you can download a PDF copy of that list and a few other comments I have for you. In the meanwhile, get ready to go over to video 5. What are prepositions and what do I do with them? But before you go, please subscribe to this channel, share, comment, and repost this video. You can also see me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Remember, practice, practice, practice those prepositions. I'll see you in video 5.